What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today, another short install video. These are items, you probably recognize them already. They're battery tie downs or hold downs. I've actually had them since last August. I've never got around to installing them. Very self-explanatory, guys. Pretty much all you're doing is you are literally taking this piece off. Now remember, when you take it off, all you're really going to need is like a deep socket, like a deep 10 mil socket, as you see me from the time lapse, and that will help take off these nuts right here. Make sure make sure you put them in a safe place, don't lose them. Now when you're taking them out, make sure you keep an eye on these J hooks because they can fall to the bottom. That's why I have my trusty magnet right there. Definitely helps because guess what, it just fell out. So make sure, keep an eye on your J hooks. Remember, the longer J hook goes to the front of your battery. Now this one here, this is like a JDM style mount, and this is another tie down right here from DNA Motor. This is from Amazon. So I bought them from two different places. I'm gonna put them both on. You let me know which one you like more. What I do like though, I love the color of this one. It's this anodized red. It's really nice. This one here, it actually looks identical to all my brackets. This is like almost like a cherry type red. They're both red. This one has a darker anodized red that looks like my oil cap. This one here almost looks like everything else under the engine bay. So this red matches the oil cap, my blow-off valve. This red here matches my radiator stays, brackets, all my different types of brackets, all dipstick, even the wiring. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna put them both on. You let me know which one you like the most. By the way, guys, in case I forgot to mention, this JDM one here from eBay, they come with, or it comes with, Allen bolts and locking nuts. So what you can do, like this would need some adjusting because it won't fit. So all you got to do is just take out the nuts and bolts, and you can see there's 3 holes right here where you can adjust them to fit, if you get my drift. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to mention that real quick. Also, it actually comes with this bracket and spacers. That might be for other makes and models because this does fit like the FRS, Scion, etc. Okay? Alright, so what I did real quick, I moved the bolts over. It was in this hole, this innermost hole right here. I moved both of them towards the end, so now I could slide this like that. So now I have some leeway. So now when I put this here, see how it looks? Nice. Fits nicely right there. You can either go like this or go like that, however you want everything to fit. And if you want, I would suggest, you know, I mean, you could always slide these other two as well. You can always, you know, slide them to the end so you can just arc it a little bit and angle it. Now, once you're done, just tighten it. So once you're done, just tighten that bad boy, and I think that looks pretty nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put on the other one now. Let me see how you like it. Now remember, these are meant to fit like widths of batteries that are less than 6 3/4 inches. So this actually looks pretty good right here. It actually fits. Yeah, it fits actually pretty nicely. This one, it's a lot simpler and it looks pretty damn good. I like it. I do. It's way more simple and it looks really nice. I like this one the most. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put this one on, see how it looks with the J hooks. All right, guys, this install is complete. This is very simple. I think the hardest thing is shining a light to find a hole where the J hooks go into to the bottom of the battery. But other than that, what I did was I used one of my spacers on this side right here, and I had to, my washer fluid is bolted to this because when I went with a bigger intercooler, I can't fit it back on this this mount over here. It's kind of annoying, but it is what it is. But anyway, this looks really, really clean, guys. Really, really clean. And I'll put the links where these are located on Amazon and on eBay. As I said, both of them work. This one here, when I put it on, the lines, it wasn't hitting one side perfectly. It was kind of, the angle was a little bit off, so to speak. So I didn't like that too much. I definitely like this one. I will put the exact link. There's two sizes to this. There's a long and a short. This is the long one. So this and this one here, they fit batteries that the width are smaller than 6 3/4 inches. Other than that, that's really it, guys. So definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Everything is going to be in the description. And I will talk to you soon. This is really smooth. I like how it looks. Oh, by the way, guys, make sure if you're working around your battery, take something, cover the positive and or negative poles, guys. I'm very precise when I'm working, so I know I'm not going to have a piece of metal touching both the positive and negative and grounding off and causing a spark or potentially a fire. So if you know you're a little bit clumsy or you want to be on the safe side, either cover the terminals with something that's insulated and or you could just take off the poles. But either way, that's my time. I'll talk to you guys soon.